How to build community, drive engagement, and win sales on social media. Building a community on social media is essential for any brand or individual looking to establish a robust online presence, but it can be challenging to know where to start. Well, fear not, because in this video, I will show you how to create a thriving social media community that engages with your brand. My name is Blessing from Digital Creators Hub. So whether you are a small business owner, an influencer, or someone looking to build a following, I've got you covered. From creating compelling content to leveraging the power of social listening and engagement, I will explore all the key strategies you need to build a robust and supportive community to help you achieve your goals. So let's get started. Step 1. Creating relevant content. Creating relevant content is vital when building a social media community. First, you must understand your audience needs and interests. Start by researching your target audience to find out what they seek. This can include analyzing your audience demographics, preferences, and behavior on social media platforms. Then use this information to create relevant content for your audience. Additionally, you should stay up to date with trends and news in your industry and create content that reflects these changes. This will help you remain relevant and exciting to your audience. It's also important to experiment with different content formats, such as videos, images, and infographics to see what works best for your audience. Finally, be consistent with your content creation and posting schedule to build trust and loyalty with your audience. Step 2. Foster a sense of community. It's vital to foster a sense of belonging and connection among your followers. This can be done in various ways, such as creating a consistent brand voice and aesthetic, responding to comments and messages, and hosting events or giveaways. But the key to fostering community is making your audience feel seen and valued. So, listen to your followers' feedback and respond to their needs. Share user-generated content and highlight your followers' successes. Be bold and show the human side of your brand. Share personal stories and behind-the-scenes glimpses into your business. By creating a space where your followers feel heard and appreciated, you'll be well on your way to building a thriving social media community that will support your brand for years. Remember, community building is a long-term process that requires patience, dedication, and a genuine desire to connect with your audience. Step 3. Practice social listening. To build a strong community on social media, practicing social listening is essential. Social listening involves monitoring and analyzing conversations happening on social media platforms related to your brand, industry, or niche. Doing so lets you gain valuable insights into your audience preferences, pain points, and expectations. This in turn allows you to create content and engagement strategies that resonate with your audience, leading to a more engaged and loyal community. To practice social listening effectively, use social media monitoring tools to track relevant hashtags, mentions, and keywords. Then analyze the data to identify trends and patterns and adjust your content and engagement strategies accordingly. By consistently practicing social listening, you show your audience that you care about their opinions and are committed to providing them with the best possible experience, which ultimately helps to grow a strong and lasting community on social media. Step 4. Stay consistent and authentic. Building a community on social media takes time and effort, but it's essential to stay true to your brand and consistently deliver value to your followers. Consistency is critical to building a community. Your audience wants to see that you are reliable, trustworthy, and committed to providing value to them. In addition, your audience needs to know when they can expect to hear from you. So set a regular posting schedule and stick to it. This will help you build a loyal following that will look forward to your content. Authenticity is equally essential. So share your story, values, and passions with your audience. This will help you build trust and rapport with your followers, making them more likely to engage with content and share. Step 5. Engage with your audience. Creating a two-way conversation and providing value to your followers can foster a sense of community and loyalty. Responding to comments and messages is an effective way to engage with your audience. This shows your followers that you value and listen to their inputs. Additionally, hosting question and answer sessions or live streams can be a great way to interact with audience in real time. Another way to encourage engagement is to create user-generated content. This involves asking your followers to create content related to your brand and sharing it on their social media accounts. This promotes your brand and shows your followers that you value their creativity and inputs. It's important to regularly analyze your engagement metrics such as likes, comments, and shares to understand what content resonates with your audience. By tailoring your content to their interests, you can continue to build a strong community on social media. Step 6. Collaborations with brands and influencers. When building a community on social media, collaborating with influencers can be an effective brand strategy. Influencers have already created a solid following and have established a level of trust with their audience, making them valuable partners for brands looking to expand their reach. Finding an influencer whose audience aligns with your target audience is essential to begin a collaboration. Then work together to create authentic content that resonates with both of your audiences. This could include sponsored posts, giveaways, or even joint events. It's also essential to establish clear goals and expectations for the collaboration, such as reach, engagement, or sales. Then, by measuring the partnership success, the brand and influencer can learn and improve for future collaborations. Congratulations! You've learned valuable tips for building a community on social media. Building a community on social media is a long-term process. Still, with patience and consistency, you can establish a loyal following that will support your brand for years. By implementing the strategies, you will be able to connect with followers on a deeper level and create a strong and engaged community around your brand. Thanks for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in building your social media community.